Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I will show you how to cancel your order on G2G. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open g2g.com. And once you open it, you need to log in into your account. After logging in, here you will find on the top right side your profile icon. Just click on it like this, then go to purchase orders. Once you go to purchase orders, here you will find all the orders that you can actually cancel. And now, because I do not have already purchased an order, I will simply go to the help center, then search here for cancel order. Simply click on the second option, and here it will show you all these steps by photos. So you'll simply have to click on report, then choose request to cancel, and choose the reason. Once you choose the reason, you should select on refund to payment source, then click on submit case. After you have submitted the request for order cancellation, the seller of this product will approve it or reject it. If the seller doesn't respond within the given time frame, the order will be automatically canceled. If the seller repeatedly rejects the cancellation request, in this case, you will need to talk to G2G help support itself, and they will deal with the seller and find a solution. Now, keep in mind that this depends on what thing that you have purchased. If you have purchased a game card, an account, or an item in a video game, because some items or some purchases may not be refundable or be able to be cancelled. So keep that in mind. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in a new video.